This is not your usual car show. Forget the fast, flashy cars and fancy brands. Welcome to the Love for Cars Convention, where it's all about real people, real cars, and real stories. Here, we focus on what really matters: learning, sharing, and having fun with fellow car lovers. Meet some of Uganda's best mechanics and technicians. They'll explain common car problems and show you how to solve them. Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well wherever you're watching this episode of the Car Weekly Roundup from. Today is 16th August 2025 and we have about 14 days left to go to the car convention. Now, I hope you have booked your ticket. As of yesterday, I was told to in our ticketing Ngachinana. So call the number 0760-045-116 and book your ticket today. Remember, launch the My Car Diary, the one-stop book for you recording everything and anything about your car from the time you buy it to the time you sell it. Yeah, you can also buy this copy, your own copy of the My Car Diary at only 35,000 shillings. And then also, for the love of cars t-shirt is there in maroon, in black, and of course the navy blue. Now they gave me this car t-shirt to show you that it's also medium for the guys that put on medium. So this is for demonstration purposes only, to show you that even you small people, you have your own t-shirt. So the same number you're calling to book the tickets, the same number you can call to buy t-shirts, also at 35k. You spread the knowledge. And you know what we are trying to do is that we are trying to keep the road safe and drivers healthy. When you have healthy drivers and safe roads, Uganda will grow. Kale, tugende mawuli.
For the love of cars, Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Review teams.
Guys, KCCA is launching what they call the intelligent traffic monitoring system. They have a center, Wanomukampala. It's using AI. It's AI powered. It was made possible by JICA. You guys know JICA. It's a Japanese organization that has been funding a lot of technological developments in the country. So it funded the creation of the center where KCCA monitors traffic using AI. Chitegeza AI can alert police when there's something wrong. It can alert KCCA itself when the traffic lights are not working. It can alert KCCA, someone in the control room, when there is a lot of traffic on a certain route, so that you guys know that we already have over 50 traffic lights in the center, traffic points, Webateka traffic lights. Like almost now, I find that there are traffic lights almost at every junction. From the time we got traffic lights, I find that traffic moves a little more swiftly. Yeah, and the ambassador of Japan again is in the traffic control center AU, and he's happy with that. Of course, it's his money. Yeah, it's their money. JICA has been funding a lot of projects here. There is a time I even asked myself, what do we fund if JICA is funding almost every technological development here? Even the software they are using, the system they are using is the Japanese system. Bagaiba take IT. What are we doing? The system here. Kati funding others 52 over 50 points, but they are going to double down on that. And of course, they are hoping that they can expand the same countrywide. You guys know that recently KCCA later the campaign a year okuvuga 30 kilometers per hour to try and deter road accidents or preventing the too many deaths that were happening on the road. Obviously, you guys know already that we had over 14 deaths per day reported in 2024. Twaina 14 deaths per day. Ntibuli lunaku abantu abafa because of road accidents 14. So KCC is trying to, of course, cap that down. Most of the accidents that involved border never pedestrians, never cyclists, bebasinga okubeera ne risk y'okufa accident eza border accidents ez'okukubo, because owa border yeye bode, owa kagaali yeye bode, ow'ebigere yeye bode, ab'emmotoka bali a little bit safe. So to try and curb the rate of accidents, they were introducing the 30 km per hour wano mu kibuga. Of course, now they baleta express penalty system eyo naye neetakola. So of course they are using AI to study how the patterns work, and so that they can make it better. So it's going to be the center is going to be launched very soon. Tube nga tumanyi nti ate kati ekola esoma ate yiga. You know how AI can learn. Mwabakozesa ku ChatGPT mukimanyi. The AI learns and then emulates and then makes happen.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And then of course on the Kasese Mbarara road there was a crash between a Toyota Hiace and a Mitsubishi Pajero. Now what happened? Abantu babiri bafudde. One was from the tires of a drone and the other was from the Pajero. The drone guy wanted to bypass a stranded car. Na asanga yuwa Pajero nebekuba head on. And that's a very bad thing. So the people that died kwabadeko omwami bamuyita David Remegius Mbusa akola ne Centenary Bank e Kasese, and then there's another person called Matthias Mate who is a student yabadde mu Pajero. Of course abantu abalala balumiziddwa, but they are saying that the crash was due to reckless driving and overtaking. The guys abavuga drone bavuga bubi nnyo. Sometimes I pity the people that travel in those cars. Ate munange babeera tebayina oba empathy, tebafa ku bantu. Kati wahayase badde overtaking a link bus ndoza yabadde beyimidde kujja mu bantu ng'ajja overtaking n'asanga yo wapajiro. Ate jjukira baba badduka, abantu ba country babeera badduka ne beekuba, bantu babiri ne bafiira. May the souls of the people that died rest in eternal peace. And if you're traveling in a car, let it be a van, let it be a small car, and the person is over speeding, please tell them akakanye ku speed. Ulona je mulaga, it's not worth your life. Mu Uganda onsinaba yo deal edi worth my life nze nga Arthur. I don't know about you, but nze of course I've taken a long time sitting in a drone, sitting in a taxi, but if I were in a taxi or a bus and it was over speeding, I would definitely tell them to slow down or I get off.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And then of course there is a border rider that almost died on the highway, Kuntebe Highway, Izana. There was a car that hit a border guy named Banagwa, and Nemulekao. Remember, the law doesn't allow us, the normal people, it doesn't allow us to take people to the hospital when they're involved in accidents. It's breaking the law. This is actually what happened this week. A car hit a border man. Nabeera ku chorus. After about 20 minutes, a traffic officer came. But also a traffic officer is just a traffic officer. You get it? Tasobola kuyamba muntu. But n'amateeka netegamukkiriza. Alina kubeerawo kulaba ani aleese ensasagge and to make things calm down. So after about 45 minutes, abasajja ba border ne bakwata omulwadde yabadde mu accident ne bamussa mu kubo to cause traffic jam and cause traffic police to take action. Of course the traffic officer yakoze omulimu gwe n'akwatayo border emwaji wambe and stuff like that. But obviously then the ambulance came dozanga obudde bagenda okulaba obudde bugenda, ambulance etwala omulwadde tebannamanyi oba yawonye oba teyawonye. But of course this calls for government to fix the system. Until when we get accidents, we have quick response ambulances. Apart from the patrols, we need to have ambulances. Buli highway bereka ambulance ndoza nga 3 nga ziddukirawo ne zitwala ate zibeeremu amafuta. Okitegera, we should not get to a point where people have to put a dead body in the street for police to take action. Okitegera, government, where are you?
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And of course wano here in our neighborhood in Kenya, 25 people died in a bus accident. Now the bus that belonged to AIC Niki High School was transporting mourners like we do when you're going omuntu afiridwa mumuyambako ne mugenda muzikireko. Sometimes we go in trucks, in buses, in small cars. So this was a bus. The driver lost control and the bus overturned and fell into a ditch, and 25 people died. And then of course there were 10 women, 10 men and some children. One of them was even a 10-year-old girl, and nebafa. And then of course ne wabawo n'abalala abadde injured, batute mu malwaliro nga bali critically ill, nga bali mu madwaliro. But of course all these things come from overspeeding. Ebiseera ebisinga abantu abatwala abantu okuziika ba overspeeding, abavuga baba babawagaye. It's a very bad thing, and you see now it doesn't just happen in Uganda ne mu Kenya nayo bituukayo. So if you're seated in a bus, in a truck, in a taxi, in a small car, on a border, someone is overspeeding. I feel bad that majority of the time when you do the weekly roundup, we have a lot of accident news. It should not be happening like that.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And of course, guys, do you know what the UCI World Championships are? mwali mulebe amagali g'empaka ku byalo. So Kigali, okay, Rwanda is hosting the UCI 2025 championships in Kigali, Rwanda. And abatachimanyi, what is happening is that they have about 13 events in total, 6 road races, 6 time trials, and 1 mixed relay. Ngabu mwala utwakola Jimkana, nabo bayina ebyawe Jimkana owabwe wokuvuga amagali. And then, of course, this is the 98th World Rally Championship. Kategena bera in Kigali between 21st and 28th. And now, what Kigali is doing, bagenda kugala ngudo in Kigali. Of course, it's not about car, so we will not be following it. But just know, this is big for Kigali. But they reached an extent of telling the government workers, mukolere waka. From 21st to 28th, school-going children are staying home. Hey, it's big. For you to host a world championship of any kind is big for you. It's good for news. So Kigali is taking big steps. I hope that Uganda also gets to get some championships. Kampala nafe basibe ku ngudo abana badeke waka civil servant bakolere waka and then for the entire world to be on us. So Kitegera. So the World Championship will have categories, 6 categories. Mulimu elite men, elite women, yeah, under 23 men, under 23 women, junior men, junior women, jitegera. And they are going to have about 15.1 kilometer circuits, yeah. Bagenda ko bagora mu Kigali. The total will be about 42 kilometers. Bagenda okutambula, bagenda kulinya obusozi, bakobuko. So the guys are enjoy watching cyclists race. You should definitely be following this. I'm sure we'll have streams all over. I'm sure Rwanda is going to make that possible. Kongs to Rwanda, Kongs. Nafe tusabira government yafe beko byetuletera World Theatre Festival, byetuletera World Rally Championships. Kuba tulina abantu bangi kati abagenze nga bakola tracks one in Uganda where we can have all those things.
For the love of cause, Uganda we roll.
And then of course in India, yeah, the Supreme Court suspended the enforcement on ban on older vehicles in Delhi. Kati Delhi abatachimanyi twabirabanga mbino iri mwabirabanga ebiyindi Delhi baberanga bazinenga bambadde amajowowe ne bazina Delhi in India. So bali babaninze emoroka eza diesel nga babaninze up to 8 years, 10 years, then is a petrol 15 years. Kati abantu bekarakasa ne bagamba nedda wadde mugamba emissions, let's get tests that see kubanga waliwe moroka kati nga project kaya ngena gisibye engine, it doesn't emit that bad. Na gisibye engine nenjiteka mu catalytic converter, kati moroka itself for the environment. Kabongamba nti moroka ero mugigobe mu kibuga Kampala because of emissions, mubate mukola bulungi okitegera. But so the Supreme Court overturned that. Na ina fe twalifunye obamabiliza agenda ope emoroka enkadde bali mekuzigoba Kampala Uganda tudem tulete kibina zaffe. Supreme Court ya India, but of course katife wano obviously already we are doing that. Mabiliza ino kubanga funding amanyi mabilize center akunganya. Why is so much? Nanyi zo mogera ko nange nandopa. Mwe bizite alopa buli kimu. Ayinza n'okundopa okwogera ku linnya lye. Nabe ekigege bali evuddemu ne bawa mabilizi sente. Ne tuddamu tuyingiza kigege zaffe. Kanso mabilizi ndozo kitegedde ekyo.
For the love of cause, Uganda we roll.
Akalowoozo k'olunaku guys. Abantu abakozesa zebra crossing. I am sure you guys are watching. Abatambuza ebigere kubanze zebra crossing ezo nakoma dozi kozesa. Not in a bad spirit, but nakoma dozi kozesa. But abantu abakozesa zebra crossing in the city center here, almost buli wantu ewali zebra crossing waliwo ekitaala ekyaba pedestrians. Mubiraba ebyo kiberako omuntu nga atambula kwa green, kibako n'omuntu nga ayimiridde nga wa red. Ekitala kasita kitaka red yimirira totambula. Mujja kutujogera ku makubo naffe tuyina rights abavuga emmotoka. Zebra crossing ate mwe abamuleka zebra crossing gye ziri ne muyita eri ewalala. Yita mu zebra crossing makati. Ate ekitala bwe kiba kya red totambula. Bino ebitala kesisi ebyalese biri intelligent. Ekitala bwe kiba kya green tambula. Emoroka bwogiraba ng'evuga ng'ejja mu zebra crossing. Actually emoroka eyingidde zebra crossing ng'eyimiridde gikuba oluyi ku bonnet. Bwe bakugamba bagambe Arthur yatugambye gikuba oluyi ne weba ya patrol. Gikuba oluyi mga gwe oyimiridde mu zebra crossing. Bwe batwe bagenda okutandika okutereeza empisa zaabwe. Emoroka eyimira kula ine eri before the zebra crossing. naye nammwe abatambuza abayita ku zebra crossing bambi mututaase mukozese ak'obuntu ekitala bwe kiba kya red tosala era emmotoka bwe ziba zidduka nnyo tolowooza nti olw'okuba zebra crossing emmotoka bwe kutomera tofa salanga era weegendeza abantu abamu balalu zebra crossing muyigo zikozesa.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And then this week's tip guys, every 6 months twale emmotoka yo ku wheel alignment wheel balancing. Enguudo zaffe zetuvugiramu mbi tukoona obunnya tuyita mbinnya amayinja bagatutega tuyita ku hampu buhampu obwo tatatata tuyita ku buhampu obwo obubi bukoona nnyo buli myezi 6 twale emmotoka yo ogikole wheel alignment ogikole ne wheel balancing ebiringa etambula bulungi.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
And of course in today's comparison I want us to compare repairing your car when it breaks down versus repairing your car or just maintaining your car. What is cheaper? Zinga Arthur, I maintain my car, I don't repair. Sirinda moroka yange kufa ku repairing. Sometimes you will wait efire ku kubongo oli mu mabira and that will be very expensive. Try to maintain. Emoroka yo bwe batefa buli myezi 6 yita makanika judge sumululeko arabe waliwo ekyetaaga okukola okikole. There are people that will say namana emyaka 2 nga sikanika moroka. Emyaka 2 ng'ovugira Kampala. Every 6 months keberako ku moroka yo olabe etambula etya. That will be able to keep our cars healthy. It's cheaper to maintain than to repair when it has broken down.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll.
Thank you very much guys for being part of this week's episode of the Car Weekly Roundup. Don't forget to order for your t-shirts. Don't forget to order for your t-shirts, 35,000. Order the My Car Diary where you put all your car expenses and information. And of course, don't forget to book for your ticket. Eyala Focus Convention. Emitwalo 5 joka kube number 0760 045 116 to book for your ticket. Jukira ticket to the booking because tuli mubategekera n'ebyokulya tosobola bitegeka ku olwo, so that's why we are booking the tickets. I wish you a very lovely weekend. Don't drink and drive. Bw'oba ogenda gy'oteesiga teekako akapiira. May the good Lord bless you.